Did you know that Chalk Couture designers can earn up to 40% commissions on all the products they sell? That's right, 40%. Simply by creating and sharing high-end and beautiful home decor, they're living a life they love, and you can too. For just $99 US or $127 Canadian plus tax and shipping, you can start your very own from-home Chalk Couture career. The majority of successful designers work anywhere from 10 to 20 hours a week, selling completed projects, demonstrating Chalk products, teaching fun workshops, and for some, building their entire empire online. This, my friends, is a box of opportunities. As always, your kit will include 7 gorgeous transfers, one of which is a sneak peek at our newest product launch for spring, plus 5 3-ounce jars of creamy, dreamy Chalkology paste, a squeegee, and 3 exclusive surfaces. You'll also get 1 free month of your very own e-commerce website where your customers will shop online. You'll get our designer startup guide with great suggestions for your first few months, plus customer thank you cards, our darling apron, the stunning spring-summer catalog, and the Club Couture transfer of the month. If you've ever dreamed of turning your creative passion into profits, consider this your personal invitation. Come join the most amazing creative community in town. Talk to your independent designer or visit chalkcouture.com to kickstart your new career today.